think John might be having a snack first. Our dinner is late. He's hangry. Can you tell he's hangry? I think he's hangry. Are you hangry? I think you're angry. Okay, so come here. The other day, I went grocery shopping, but for a specific thing. I went for lunch meat and cheese. Started keto, and I'm eating a lot of ham and I'm eating a lot of cheese. So we're going to do the breakdown and then we'll tell you where I went. Oh, back in the nuts. Can you get this thing out of here? Out of the refrigerator? And put it over here. Over on this cutting board. What we're going to do today is the meat. The cheeses will have to wait. We'll do a breakdown of the cost and the savings here after we get this meat done. This is a smoked ham. You notice it's still in date. That was the price. Notice $1.99 a pound. So before I put this, do you think I need to break this down before I put it on the slicer?
I probably shouldn't have. Just
This way and stand it on end this way or this way?
this way.
This way?
So you're getting, as you slice it, you're getting the whole cut. Just a thought.
Okay. Thank you. Oh, man. What this is basically your deli ham. Smoked ham. This. We just bought another one of these. We had a Hobart. We got rid of the Hobart because we didn't use it. And then we realized that, yep, just for raising pigs, bacon, and cuts of meat and stuff, we're going to need another one back. So we paid the same for this that we sold the last one for, so we really weren't out any money. But let's see how this works. This is the first time I've used this slicer. My other one had a stay on it. Are we across the blade?
Mm-hmm.
It's not to the blade, is it?
No, it's not to the blade.
Okay. Well, let me see what I want adjusted right.
Oh, that's what I adjusted there.
Put it on a 5.
Yeah.
Let's try a 5.
Okay. Pins in front of you.
Pins in front of me right here. Now this blade, we will
Sharp.
be investing in another Kevlar glove. What do you think, hon? You want it a little thicker than that?
Probably a little thicker. So.
That's still good. It's not far off. I may get back to this 5 because that first slice I took was on an uneven edge. Yeah, that's it. Right back where we started. Feel that one. You like that?
Okay.
All right, here we go. Okay, John finished it up. I've got a couple pieces over there that are pretty thick that I'll cut up for wedges, but there it is. We're going to weigh that up into pound packages and vacuum seal it. But first, I have an oven roasted turkey breast. Now this is a whole lot smaller, but again, it was $1.99 a pound. So we'll see what we get with that. The difference is the way this is made versus the way the other one's made. As to how this one's kind of falling apart a little bit. But it'll be all right. You weighing it out for me? Yeah. It's what?
Some of it's over a pound, so you're not going to get an exact count.
It's okay.
This doesn't equal a pound.
Okay, just stick that in the refrigerator. I'll take this. I'll take this to work with me. We'll shred this turkey. Shred's so easy. We're just going to shred it and have it ready for turkey salad. Okay, we have 14 pounds of ham. Went ahead and just put these into little baggies. They'll go with me to lunches. Those are the little 3-ounce bags. Turkey, we have about 5 1/4 pounds. We ran some numbers, and with this ham, I paid $1.99 a pound. For 13.95 pounds, it came to $27.76. Had I bought this at the deli per pound, it would have been $7.99. At 13.95 pounds, that's $111.46. So with the turkey, also $1.99 a pound at 5.26 pounds, which made it $10.48. If we had bought that per pound at the deli, it would have been $42.03. The total at the deli would have been $153.49. We spent $38.24 for savings on this meat of $115.24. The store I shopped at was called Sharp Shopper. We have them in Virginia. I don't know where they are anywhere else, but check out the meat aisle. They usually have whole deli lunch meats, uncut, in the box for $1.99. Now, here in a couple days, we'll be doing the cheese. Stay tuned for that. See y'all later.